the UK construction sector is facing a headwind despite government efforts to boost the housing market. February's S&P Global Construction Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, plummeted to a dismal 44.6, a significant fall that contradicts most economists' predictions of a post-winter rebound. This casts a long shadow over the ambitious government target of 1.5 million new homes by the end of the current parliamentary term. The disappointing PMI figure highlights a deep-seated malaise within the sector. While the Labour government has unveiled plans designed to invigorate the market, including streamlining planning applications for private housing estates and accelerating the development of new towns, the reality on the ground appears far less optimistic. These initiatives, welcomed by many major UK housebuilders, are yet to translate into a palpable surge in construction activity. The official statistics, while showing a 10.9% rise in housing, starts to 37,030 in Q4 2024 compared to the previous quarter, offer only a limited narrative. This increase, while positive, doesn't fully offset the broader concerns raised by the plummeting PMI. The question remains, is this a temporary blip, a sign of underlying strength masked by short-term challenges, or a more serious indication of deeper structural problems within the UK housing market? Several factors could contribute to this underwhelming performance. Rising interest rates, persistent inflation, and the lingering impact of the cost of living crisis are all likely playing a role. The increased cost of materials, exacerbated by global supply chain disruptions, further squeezes profit margins and discourages investment. A shortage of skilled labor, coupled with regulatory hurdles and complex planning processes, also acts as a significant constraint on growth. The government's ambitious housing targets are commendable, aiming to address the chronic housing shortage and stimulate economic growth. However, the disconnect between these ambitious targets and the current state of the construction industry suggests that a more comprehensive and nuanced approach is required. Simply accelerating planning applications may not be sufficient to overcome the broader economic and logistical challenges hindering the sector. A more holistic strategy, addressing issues such as skills shortages, material costs, and access to finance, is crucial to unlocking the sector's full potential and achieving the government's ambitious housing goals. The recent PMI data serves as a stark reminder that the road to a thriving UK construction industry is paved with significant challenges, requiring more than just well-intentioned policy announcements. The government needs to move beyond headline-grabbing initiatives and focus on addressing the fundamental issues that are currently stifling growth. Only then can the UK hope to meet its housing targets and ensure a healthy and vibrant construction sector for the future. Stay informed and subscribe to Business Today for the latest updates.